Good morning, Malaysia. What's here? Your boy Chazer is back with another video. And right now I'm at Ipoh in Malaysia. This is one of my most favorite states in Malaysia. It's a small city. It's a beautiful city with a bunch of nice places. I cannot show you so many nice places today, but I'm gonna show you a few and you're gonna love it. So first of all, right now I'm heading to the mural street, the wall mural art street or something like that. So let's check out that place first.
1 hour later.
Okay, so this is the mural, the wall mural street, the wall art mural street or whatever. You see, like in this street, they have like tons of wall murals at the back. Let me give a sidewalk like a crab, and you can notice all the old murals that they have painted over there. I love them. Each of them are beautiful. The entire street until the end is full of mural arts. Also at my back, there's plenty. So I'm going for food hunting. So my first choice is gonna be for today is cheezios from Focus. Ipoh is known for its famous white coffee, Ipoh white coffee, and chickens. Must try chicken. You can find it in most of the Chinese restaurants. Traffic, the kettle traffic. Bye bye, cows. Holy cow, this is called holy cow. Check this out, guys. Check it out, check it out. The scenery here is absolutely breathtaking. The clouds over there, the clouds above me. On the right side, palm garden. On the left, the jungles made Malaysia a beautiful destination for travelers. My bitches and me, you ready to jump? Get ready to jump. Don't ever look back, oh baby. Yes, I'm ready to jump. Just take my hand. Don't ever look back, oh baby. I'm ready to jump. Well, I didn't get time to trim my beard and mustache, so I'm just doing it in the Mr. Bean way, so why not? Check it out, guys. So I was just driving and then just suddenly realized there's a dead snake falling over there. Seems like a python. Did you see that? The tank over there? I think this is a military base or something, but that's giant. It's beautiful. I love this. Guys, just check it out. Oh my god, look at the bridge over there. That's the army camp over there and a small island over there. So this is called Royal Belum over there. It's written on top of the hill, Royal Belum, and this gorgeous, magnificent infinity lake view like Samsung Galaxy S9. So the road is very steep here. It's a bit tricky, but it should be fine. Okay, let me just get down. I keep getting down over there. There's the lake view. It kind of reminds me of Tasik Canyon. The same color of water, the same type of view. So this is the lake that I was talking about. I am not so sure what's the name of this lake. I'm gonna tell you guys later on as soon as I get the internet. The view at my back. They have some houseboats here and floating houses for the fishermen. The name of this place is called Banding. Maybe Lake Banding, I believe. So this is Royal Belum. I cannot wait to go there. So I'm stepping down. Just gotta be more cautious because it's not very slippery. It has good grips. Thanks for these steel bars. For the grooving, made it less slippery. You might be thinking this is a slide, but it's not. Here's the ladder to go down to the heaven instead of the hell. There are plenty of speedboats here. So these boats will take you to for a tour to the Royal Bellum. I'm not taking the tour for this time because I have less amount of time for today. I have to go to the Jalong waterfall nearby. So I'll take an adventure tour to the Royal Bellum lake here. Kind of like the Chaze Kenya, but at a less cheaper price. It looks more beautiful. It is next to Taman Negara, the national forest. So it's gonna be a great time with you guys. You guys can look for the wildlife scenario. So they'll take you for the wildlife tour. Maybe you'll get to see some deers. If you're lucky, maybe tapir or tigers, who knows? Or wild boar, or maybe more. So these are the packages that they offer here. So you guys can call these numbers if you're up for a tour. So now I'm going to Titiwangsa from Belum Park. Check out the beach, the majesty beach here. Whoa! Check out this place, guys. This is like absolutely in heaven. If it's cloudy, the clouds are at the bottom side instead of the top, and it's very foggy. The big ferns, I believe. This is probably one of the coolest view I've ever witnessed in Malaysia. And the sunset at my back. And the moon up top there, as you can see. One of the best, most beautiful and incredible place I've ever been to be honest, for this kind of view. Like the above view, the best sunset, the most cloudy place of Malaysia so far. It's awesome. If you want to see the part 3, then please be sure to subscribe to my channel because I will be uploading vlogs regularly onwards. I'll see ya on the next episode.